You open your Fieldy transcript after a meeting and see Speaker 1, Speaker 2, Speaker 3. You have no idea who said what. You spend more time figuring out who was talking than actually reading the notes. In this video I am going to show you exactly how to fix that permanently using Fieldy Speaker Profiles, so every transcript shows real names, real colors, and is instantly readable. Speaker Profiles is a Fieldy feature that replaces those generic labels with real names and assigns each person a unique color. Think of it exactly like adding a contact name to a phone number. The first time someone calls you see an unknown number. Once you save their name you always know who it is. Speaker Profiles works exactly the same way. Once you create a profile for someone, your client, your colleague, your manager, Fieldy will automatically recognize and label them in every future transcript. Your notes go from a confusing wall of anonymous text to a clean color-coded conversation you can actually read and use. Note, Speaker Profiles is currently a beta feature and may not be available for all users yet. If you do not see Speaker Profiles in your settings, it has not been enabled for your account yet. It will appear automatically when Fieldy rolls it out to you. Let me show you exactly how to create your first speaker profile. The first profile to set up is your own. This is called Voice ID. Go to Settings, then Speaker Profiles. You will see a card with your name and a button saying plus setup. Tap Setup, make sure your Fieldy device is connected, speak naturally for a few seconds, then tap Submit. Your personal profile is now active and Fieldy identifies your voice automatically from this moment. For other people in your recordings, open any transcript, tap their speaker label such as Speaker A or Speaker B, type their real name, choose a color, and tap Save. That segment is now assigned to that person. Here is what makes this genuinely powerful. Every profile has a progress counter. You will see something like 2 out of 5 in your settings. Once you reach 5 tagged segments for a person, Fieldy switches on automatic identification for that speaker permanently. After that you never need to manually tag them again. The more you use Speaker Profiles, the smarter Fieldy becomes. What if you made a typo in someone's name? Or what if Fieldy detected the same person as 2 different speakers? No problem. Tap the edit icon directly on the speaker pill in your transcript. The app automatically selects all transcripts from that speaker so you can rename them or reassign them in one tap. This is especially useful in longer meetings where the AI may have split one person into Speaker 2 and Speaker 4, you can merge them both into one profile instantly. If you already have Speaker Profiles set up and a new recording comes in, assigning speakers is even faster. Select any transcript segment by tapping it. At the bottom of your screen you will see a horizontal list of all your existing profiles. Simply tap the correct profile and that transcript is instantly assigned. This is the fastest way to organize recordings from recurring meetings, weekly team calls, regular client sessions, or any conversation with the same people every time. Once you do this a few times, Fieldy starts auto-labeling those speakers automatically so you spend less and less time organizing. One important thing to know, speaker profiles are stored securely with your account only. Nobody else can see who is in your transcripts. Not Fieldy, not anyone you have not authorized. If you ever unassign a speaker profile, the transcripts stay but revert back to the generic Speaker 1 label. Your conversation data never leaves your control. This matters especially if you are using Fieldy for client meetings, healthcare conversations, or any sensitive professional situation. Speaker profiles are most valuable for 3 types of people. Consultants and freelancers who meet the same clients repeatedly. Once you set up their profile, every future transcript is automatically labeled. Healthcare workers like doctors and therapists who need to know exactly who said what in every session. And anyone in back-to-back meetings who cannot afford to waste time figuring out who was talking after the fact. If you do not have Fieldy yet, the link is in the description. There is a free plan available so you can try it before buying anything. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe for more Fieldy guides and drop a comment below telling me which feature you want me to cover next.